Hi everyone, this is just a brief introduction to Lesson Designer. To start out, you're going to go to ld.dolearning.com. The first time you visit this page, it'll ask you for your username and your password. You can just log in and then it will bring you to this dashboard. To filter your lessons, if you look over here to the left, you can do it by grade and subject. So for example, let's say we want to work on kindergarten math. We would check kindergarten, then go down to subjects, and then click math. You scroll down to the bottom and press update filters. You don't need to worry about the stages or the edit status. So once you update filters, this will bring you to all the kindergarten math lessons. As you can see, they're labeled by ID, grade, subject, unit, lesson, title, stage, and last updated. Just for example, we'll go into lesson 1. To do that, you will just click on this little icon right here that looks like a pen. This is how you manage the lessons. As you can see, here are your objectives, your essential questions, biblical rationale, and your instruction time. This is where the majority of the content will be, the images, videos, and all the text. You can just scroll through and take a look at this. And then at the very bottom, you're going to have your teacher notes, which are basically just a supply list or outside suggested activities for the week, that sort of thing, just anything that the teacher would need to know. So those are the components, and when you are through editing, you want to press Save Lesson. You actually want to do that pretty often, maybe every 5 minutes or so, because if your computer freezes for some reason, you're going to lose all the work you've done. So make sure you press Save Lesson before you go back to the lessons, or press the back arrow to go back to the dashboard. If you want to see what the lesson is going to look like to the student, you can go to Preview Lesson. This apple right here is the teacher notes. You can click to reveal them and then click it again to make it disappear. This is the instruction time, the biblical rationale, objectives. So as you can see, it looks pretty similar to what you saw on the other screen in the Lesson Designer. This is a video, obviously. You can click here to test the audio. Here's the images. You can basically just scroll through and see all the content. This is a slideshow. We'll go over this in another tutorial. The student's just able to click through images, and you can see you can add captions. And then once you get to the bottom, that's where you'll find your Do It, which will also be something we go over in another lesson.